Someone once told me everything is on the internet. I think I'm beginning to believe just little by little, because I found this website that has courses that we could learn from. There's a money stuff nobody taught you. I am seeing money and finance, level up at your job, do more with AI today. Like, this is a whole lot. The best part is it's free. You're not paying for this. You're learning for free. You're getting information for free. And this is vital information. Very vital information. And there are assignments as well. Oh my god. There are assignments as well. This, like, the person who did this must really be applauded. We should give a Grammy to this person. I am see, this organization needs to be applauded. So we have AI and tech skills, career and jobs, money and finance, creator economy, trades. Like, how you build your first app with AI for creators without losing your voice. I'm diving into this. I don't know about you, but then I'm going into this. Like, I really need the information here. If you also do need the information here, you go check it out. Just check it out. Like, it's a predicting the future with AI, motors, controls, and troubleshooting. Like, who doesn't want to predict the future? Like, who doesn't? Everyone wants to predict the future. You want to know whether you'll be successful or not. You want to know whether, yeah, this decision you're making would bring some impact in some years to come. Like,
Hi, Internet Mail. I'm Sparky, and I'm here to help you get the most out of this article on
just look
predicting
at
the
this.
future with data. How can I help you
It
get
has
started
a
today?
live tutor that can help you study. So study doesn't just become something you are gaining information from. It makes it enjoyable and fun. So I'm telling you to summarize the course. Let's see what he has for us. Let's just see what he has for us.
This course is all about the mechanics of machine learning and how we use data to make educated guesses about what happens next. You'll start by looking at how computers actually learn from
It's so
patterns,
good
rather than just
to be
following a
born
list
in
of
this era.
rules. From there, we'll dive into
It's
how to choose the right
so
data,
good
train
to be
models,
born in
and
this era.
eventually
It's
use those
so
models to
good to
solve
be in this
real-world
era.
problems. Since you're starting with the article on how computers learn,
You are missing out.
would you like me to highlight the main takeaway from that first section?
This is, you see, from data, from rules to computer to output. Man,